Hey friends, welcome to today's video. So I have a haul, an e.l.f. haul. It's gonna be so fun. I also got a gift with purchase with them and I've never gotten that before, so we will talk about that as we go and I'll tell you which stuff was and which stuff wasn't. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that I see is the e.l.f. Power Glow highlighter, and I was really excited about this. So it's like a cream or liquid highlighter and it comes in like a pump. This one is in the shade Gold. So this is the packaging, and this is what it looks like out of the box. It's like, let's see, it has 0.53 ounces. That's actually not too bad. So, whoa, this is like super gold. Super golden girls. That is so pretty though. It's kind of holographic. My camera needs to focus on it. That is so pretty. Ooh, I am so stoked about this. Like, you could mix this into stuff. It has a holographicness too, I think. But one thing I will say is you really need to do a light hand. You can put this all over your body. It says directions: mix a few drops with foundation or use alone and apply to cheekbones, brow bone, and cupid's bow. You can put it wherever you want. They ain't no rules. If there is, I'm gonna break them. So that is so pretty. They have two other shades other than this one, so that is super fun. The next thing I got was part of the gift with purchase. It was like, spent so much money, you got something. So this is the e.l.f. bronzer palette, and then I looked through my makeup to see if I had this, like the collection, and I don't have this, so I was quite surprised. They have like the glow palette and the blushes. So this is in bronzer palette, so it doesn't really have, oh, they're really wearable shades. Look at that. This is so perfect for summer. I'm super excited about that. Beautiful. So that is the bronzer palette. It doesn't really say, it says Bronze Beauty. It doesn't really say like light, fair, or medium. It says mirror included. That's good for them. So there's that. So I bought the Beautifully Bare Foundation Serum Light Fair with Goji Berry. Super nice. Then I also, it's in the other room, I should have brought it in. I brought one of their tinted moisturizers kind of thing. So, and I've been using that and I actually really like it. So, oh, this. Here, I'm gonna pump some out on my hand and you can see how liquidy it is. Look at that. That's liquid. That is liquidy and a half. So that will be in one of the videos I'm going to film eventually. It's the full face of e.l.f. So I'm excited to dig into a lot of these products. So next thing is another highlighter. Kind of a highlighter crazy, I guess. And this is the liquid highlighter with vitamin E. Ooh, it's good for your skin. Who doesn't want a highlighter good for your skin, right? This is in the shade Illuminating. So I'm going to shake it up because I feel like that's just something you should do with products like this. And yep, I definitely should have shook it up. Doing it a little bit more. It kind of came out like, you know how stuff like that can kind of come out with like oils first? Oh, this is actually pretty. It's really like it's like pearly. You're not going to be able to see. Maybe I'll just do a little blob of it because the other highlighter, I kind of screwed that. So there they are. It's kind of like two little blobs, but you can kind of see the residue from the other highlighter. It's nice. Nothing really has a scent, so that's actually a bonus. Also got the, I'm not going to open this one quite yet, but this is the waterproof eyeliner pen in brown and coffee. Just needed an eyeliner pen. They didn't have black, so I just got that one and I'm totally fine with that. So the other thing I got in the gift with purchase kind of a thing is this matte lip color in Natural. So let's see the naturalness of this. Oh, it's kind of a pinky mauve color. So that is that one. It's just like a pinky mauve color. Not too bad. Definitely something I will use. Then I also got a mascara. This is the 3-in-1 Very Black. I'm not going to open this one because just kind of the same concept, but I'm excited to try that one. And then the last 4 things are things that I have been wanting to collect for a long time, but I just couldn't, like, this was the only thing I really wanted, so I didn't want to just do like. So I have all of these shades in the Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow in Cashmere. And the biggest reason I wanted to get these is because I love to wear them alone. And then I also wanted to try to do a cut crease with these because I have a lighter version in the other room in my vanity area. So I really want to try that out. And then the next one, I don't have all the shades in this because there was like a purple and stuff, but I have like rose gold and like something like lighter gold or something like that. But the one I have right now is liquid gold and molten bronze. So I'm so excited for these. I haven't opened these ones yet, so let's open these ones and play with these real quick. They're so pretty. I just love them. You just put them on your lid and you blend them, and then it's just they're just kind of too simple for how good they are. Do you know what I mean? Let's just put one here. Oh yeah, very beautiful. I'm throwing trash away as I go, trying to be tidy and clean my mess as I move along. And then this one is liquid gold. Ooh, I'm so stoked. This looks so good with the look that I did today. Who knew? Who knew? I love that you can tell that it's like never been opened or touched. That one's really pretty. I'm super excited about this one because it's more subtle, the gold one, and it's probably the most everyday wearable for any of them. So this is the molten bronze and that's the liquid gold. I am so excited about these. So let's just open the other 2 things and then I think we'll be all done. And I can get me a Dr. Pepper. Ooh, this is gonna be like a matte brown. It's just kind of. Oh, it's like so perfect. It's like chocolate. What if it smelled like chocolate? And then, so this one is called Brown Cashmere, the brown one. And then this one is Soft Beige. And I have like Nude Linen and then another one. I love these so much. And the other thing about them is that they're so unique. Like I've never seen anything like them from anybody else. It's almost like they're a liquid lipstick for your eyes. So let's do Nude Linen right here. Never swatched these before. Ooh, this one's kind of peachy. It was kind of a bad swatch because I couldn't see what I was doing, but you know what I mean. Oh, it's peachy. I'm really excited about that one. Who knew? So that is the Brown Cashmere and Soft Beige. I am so stoked about this haul. So if you guys are excited to see a full face of e.l.f. or even like a drugstore cut crease kind of situation, that would be quite interesting. I definitely will make that. And it'll also be the first time trying to do a cut crease, so it'll be like totally experimental in every direction. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, go ahead and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Have a good one, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.